What's up, guys? So today I'm gonna show you how to make this fake neon light. So first off, a quick thank you to Squarespace for sponsoring this video. If you guys need to make a website, go ahead and make it rad with Squarespace. Okay, so first thing you need to do is find an image or like a line drawing. Now the line drawing, you need to be able to like connect all the lines so that it'd just be like one continuous line. So like this wouldn't work. That didn't work. I messed up. You need to be able to like draw the whole thing without having to lift your pen or your marker. Next, I took the L wire. This is the thing that's going to be lighting up the neon light, and I made sure that it was long enough. I'm using a heat gun. I thought maybe if I like strung a piece of string through the pipe, it'd be easier to pull the L wire through afterwards. So that was my reasoning behind that. When bending the pipe, it's easiest if you heat it up right on the side that you're going to be bending it in. The first thing we did is we worked on the little hand. Next I'm going to do like the black part, which is the connecting part, and it like bends in, kind of how you see it there. So that's what I did. Then it's just a whole lot of marking and bending it to fit your drawing. So this took me a while to figure out kind of the way to do this, and I had to keep on like cutting off pieces of the pipe to try again, and I cut off so much that I wasn't able to finish, so I had to start over. And it was a good thing because I tried to pull the L wire through with it bent, and that was impossible. So we're going to try pulling the L wire through when it's straight and heating up with the L wire inside. And that's what seemed to work. So same thing, just marking it, heating it up on the one side, the side that's going to be bending in, and checking to make sure it fit. Checking to make sure that it's right. Bending it, checking it, bending it. Just a whole lot of bending. Nice. Until you get right here. And I thought it looked pretty cool. To get rid of the markings, I just took like some solvent and a tissue and wiped those off. You can also cut off all the excess L wire, and that's fine, it still works. On the other side though, I needed to get rid of that extra pipe, but I didn't want to cut the L wire there because then it wouldn't be connected. So what I ended up doing was I took a rotary tool and just cut the pipe so I could get the L wire out. Nice. So after that, I took some white transparent spray paint, put on a mask, and just I sprayed that, and we'll see. I didn't have like the best coating, so you can see all like the weird mistakes. But moving on. Next, to paint the little connectors, I used a big brush with just like black acrylic paint. And this should block the light on those parts that I don't want light to show through. So I used the big brush, and then I used the small brush for like the small little details. Or for like the places that were hard to reach. I then spray painted the excess cord on the other side with black spray paint, and looked good. My only issue is the little transformer box thing that makes like this really obnoxious buzzing sound. So I thought if maybe if I like covered with cloth and electrical tape, that would like muffle the buzz, but no matter how much I put, I still have the buzz. So I think I'm just gonna like hang the light up next to a plant and plant that into the dirt. I don't know. Yeah, that might work. We'll see. So guys, like I said, a huge thank you to you guys for everyone who supported me on Patreon. It's been awesome, and a huge thank you to Squarespace for supporting this video. If you guys need a website or like an online portfolio or someone to sell the stuff that you're making, Squarespace is a rad place to do that. I've been with them for a while, and like they just keep coming out with like more like templates that I like and like more tools to make the job easier for me. So I'm gonna put a link in the description for like 15% off. I believe that's what it is for your first purchase, or you can just start your free trial today. So whatever you guys do, make your next move with Squarespace. Some of the things about this project that I would have changed, guys, I probably would have made those letters bigger. It was really hard to do those little bends. And the thing is that those letters took 6 feet of pipe. So I'd probably just use double the amount of pipe. And I actually kind of liked it before I spray painted it better. But, meh, whatever. Thanks, guys.